Hello, welcome back. Not quite the dramatic accident you thought it might have been, but that little knock was enough to cause over £3,500 worth of damage, and in the insurance company's eyes, it's going to be registered as a Cat N write-off. And that's because if the bike's damage is more than 65% of the bike's value, then they will write it off. Now from this distance, it doesn't look like anything's wrong at all, so let's have a closer look. So the rear panel took a bit of a scuff there. Nothing broke, but it's gone quite deep. Foot peg and gear lever also very light scuffing. And the left hand tank panel has a few deeper scratches there. This left hand fairing took the worst of it. And I'm not sure if I'd repair that or try and replace it. None of these plastics can be bought new anymore. I'd have to source good second-hand parts somewhere. Could probably be repaired. Nothing's broken. Belly pan took a scuff. Now this is textured plastic, so it would probably need to be replaced if I didn't want to live with that. And the mounting point under there is bent. You can see it's all out of shape. Easy fix is the bar ends. And the clutch lever, surprisingly, it didn't break. Nose cone, quite a deep scuff that, and unfortunately that's just one piece that goes all the way around. Screen took a very light scuff there on the corner. Wing mirror snapped clean off. But what's more concerning is that mounting point, because we can't remove it from the subframe. Something's broken inside of it, and the mechanic that initially assessed the bike was concerned that the subframe itself might have took a knock. It does look okay from here though, so I'm hoping it's just that mount. So the insurance company collected the bike earlier this week. They're going to assess their damage and then they'll make an offer on the bike, and then I'll get a chance to buy it back as salvage or not. What would you guys do? Would you keep the bike? Would you just get a new one? Would you leave it as is? Would you get it fixed? I'm not sure what to do. But the good news is, when they took the bike away, they dropped off a bike that I've been wanting to ride for a long time. And I've been having a load of fun on it. So tune in and I'll see you next time.